Happy Sunday! It's Auntie Kina. Today is Sunday, August the 14th, and we're looking at this mango tree that is in full bloom. There are so many blooms on this tree, probably 30 plus so. Lots of blooms. This tree usually blooms in twice a year in March. There was one in March, but I didn't get any fruit set. And now 6 months later, second bloom this year. So hopefully this will give me fruits for New Year's fruits. Hopefully. Let's see how this is gonna do. Look at that. Every single one of them branches here. Look at the blooms. Beautiful blooms. So many blooms. See that? In there too. Look at this. Amazing. So last year it bloomed like mid-October. Mid-October to November. This year it blooms a month or so early. So amazing, huh? Yes, hopefully I will get some fruits out of all these blooms. Look at all the branches. Each single one branches is like full bloom. You see? All the branches. All the branches got blooms. All the blooms forming here too. See? It's amazing. Blooms. And then I guess this one is June plum. So I will be getting some fruits this year too. Still some more flowers from the June plum. Okay. And then this is tomatoes. Got some tomatoes here. The tomato is actually taller than the June plum. See? June plum and tomatoes. So it seems like this is the only tree, I think it's my Nook that I bought from Top Tropical. 7 years old, 8 years old. Okay, this one is the Malika, which has no blooms right now. I don't see any blooms. So no blooms. And then the other one here is the huge tall PPK, Kupokoboya. Nice healthy tree, but no blooms. Only one tree that is in full bloom.